What's going on, guys? Welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Right, here's a quick update. So basically, I'm going to incorporate a new segment into the channel. Okay, it's called S.I.L.I.I. S-I-L-I-I. Say it like it is. Okay, so basically, what that segment is about is I'm going to be eclectic. I'm basically going to be able to discuss topics that spans across everyday life. It could be about relationships, could be about business, could be about music, could be about topics affecting our everyday life. I'm of the opinion that there's somebody out there that I will be able to contribute positively to in that wise. You can bring ideas to you, we can rub minds, you can share your suggestions as we move on. So that's what it's about, pretty much. Silly. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, okay, hit that little bell button so you can get updates when videos go live. And if you click on the playlist section, there will be a dedicated playlist for silly videos. Silly, right? Just a play on the word, okay? Not silly as in stupid, but you get it, right? So say it like it is. We're not gonna hold back. And we're going to talk about weight loss. We talk about any topic. It could be about fitness. The whole idea is we're not into hatred or how do you say personal attacks and stuff. But we're basically, this topic is going to be about no filter. Okay, say it like it is, not holding back, expressing our views, and then we keep the interaction going in the section, comment section below, and then we can keep the vibe going on that way. I'm of the opinion that we get to contribute positively to our respective lives. All right, so yeah, that's it pretty much. And Silly is going to be, as I said, a video vlogs that will happen on this channel every week in going forward, and which I hope you guys will enjoy. And so this is like an intro video. As I say, there will be a dedicated section on the home page of the YouTube channel. There will also be a dedicated playlist folder that you can go into and watch every previous or forthcoming episodes and stuff. So that's me done. It's your boy Franklin. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button if you like what I'm about. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. If you've subscribed in the past, thank you for your wonderful support. And this is just a positive attempt to bring you guys more interesting content. And yeah, that's me done for now. At the time of recording this video, it's about a day or so before Christmas, a couple of days before Christmas. So be sure to have a fantastic Christmas, and I promise to see you in the next one. Peace.